Namaste everyone. Here are some tips and trick for Deagle to get better headshots. Imagine playing whole match just using Deagle, and one-tap every single enemy that you see. Once a wise man said,
"To master a Deagle, you must master your crosshair."
Let's start by shooting 2 points and move the crosshair between the points. This drill helps in increasing accuracy of headshots. Remember, precision comes from accuracy, not from the speed. When you start for first time, move slowly, then gradually increase the speed, as you get better at it. If you still find it difficult, try adjusting your sensitivity a little. Let me know in the comments if you need a help for setting the sensitivity. Now let's learn the drill for aim shift and aim tracing. You will often find moving enemies. This drill will help you to shift your aim, and also to trace the enemies. So this is how it works. Randomly spam the shots on different targets. Shoot only once and shift to next target if you miss. Here we are practicing reflex and speed, not accuracy, so it's fine to miss the shots. At the starting of this drill, try to aim for the body shots. Once you feel comfortable, now try to aim at head. And keep on increasing the speed of the target. Things that matters a lot is your FPS and the graphics. Higher graphics and FPS makes easy to see the target and take headshot. So it is easy to take headshot in iPad than in Android devices. It's hard to play just using Deagle against other weapons like assault rifles, so this particular drill is very helpful to avoid damage. Practicing this drill will take your gameplay to next level. And this is how to practice this drill. Jump plus crouch plus shoot, jump and knife switch. Keep spamming this drill repeatedly, eventually you will get the hang of it. At the beginning, just learn to jump and knife switch, then eventually add all other steps. In that way it would be easy to practice. Mainly this will help you to move easily in and out of cover. The fewer damage will increase the chances of survival. It took me 1 week to make this video. To be honest, Deagle is hard, and that's what makes it challenging. So keep practicing, keep grinding, and you will be one-tapping enemies in no time. This video was suggested by one of the subscribers. Let me know if you need any other tips and trick videos. I'll try my best to make video as informative as possible. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.